What is good, team? Do what we do. The reason for making this video is because I got a request and someone said, well, not someone, her name is, she probably don't want her name out there, but she told me to make this video, and that's why I'm taking the time to do it now. She said she wanted me to speak more on my exercising and how I meal prep. So with that being said, let's get it. So how I exercise is I most of the time want to fit in at least 10 to 15 minutes of cardio, in the sense that I still want to be getting that in my workout regimen, and then on top of that I have about 30, at least minimum 20 minutes of vigorous exercising and the requirements of like at least 100 push-ups. Now, depending on where you're at in the process of just working out, because sometimes when females are not as strong as males, so I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with that, but what females may have to do is that you can do push-ups in a different way. There's different variances of doing the same workout, as long as you're still feeling the intensity, the burn, and you're still, say, breaking barriers. You're still going to muscle fatigue, which is how you have your muscles grow, which is how you progress in your athletic, ability. So as I'm working out for at least 30 minutes minimum, I make sure that as I'm doing it, my heart rate is picking up, because one thing I learned was that as your heart rate picks up, you start to sweat more, because you're like, so I always keep that in mind. And then usually I work out in the morning, so my workouts are always in the morning, because if I know that if I'm not working out in the morning, I'm not going to get it for the rest of the day. And then another thing is, as I'm working out, I make sure that if I'm going to work on my triceps, I'm going to do some push-ups guaranteed, but then I'm also going to get some tricep extensions in. On top of that, I do pull-ups, just working on the back, you know what I'm saying? But aside from working out, I would say personally that meal prepping it has a lot more importance than working out. Because if you meal prep correctly, which is 80% of the game, and 20% is the working out. If you meal prep correctly, you eat right, you're further ahead of most who just think I'm gonna work out hard and I'm gonna get these gains. It's better for you to meal prep efficiently, because everyone's body is different. So as you meal prep, make sure, okay, if my body reacts weird to carbs, don't put a lot of carbs on my plate. If I know proteins are to help rebuild my muscles, then I'm gonna use more of those in my meals. And I learned this from a guy named Jamal Bowers. This man is dope, lives here in Texas. This man is amazing. He's helped me a lot in my journey of fitness. And then on top of that, from my coach in high school for football, I was training for 4 years in the sense of always doing, athletic fitness, always working out, pushing my bodies, and track and field always helped too, because I was getting in a lot more workouts than I am now because of time and resources, availability. So now on top of that, as you notice your process, for how I define my progress is by definition in my body. If I flex, if I turn around, if I flex a certain muscle, just seeing how am I improving from where I was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, because I take photos. So that's another thing as well on your journey of athletic fitness. I'm kind of just correlating a lot from what I do, from fitness to progress to eating right. So as you're taking pictures, don't be so judgmental on yourself. If you're weighing yourself, don't be so judgmental, because what that's going to do is going to limit you, or it's going to hinder you from you progressing, because you feel like you're not making any progress. And really, it's building up. And then when everyone else quits and you continue to progress in your process, you're going to see the results, while some people just say, okay, it's not working, I'm done. Okay, so then I'm going to go back to meal prepping. I don't want to just be all over the place. I want to be giving value. I'm going to go back to meal prepping. What I usually do is I eat 6 ounces of protein. Most of the time, make sure I have my vegetables, because the vegetables are actually very important. And then I make sure I have a little bit of carbs, because carbs is still what your body uses to burn as energy, which they call carbohydrates, which it doesn't always have to be rice. It could be potatoes, it could be bread, a little bit of it, because you don't want to eat high starch foods, because there's good carbohydrates and there's bad carbohydrates, which is another video. I'm not an expert in this, so I should have put that as a disclaimer. I'm just somebody who's training and who's developing through life. And on top of that, with the meal prepping, as I'm watching the proteins I'm eating, you can incorporate beans, eggs, and chicken breast, chicken tenderloins, steaks, pork chops, ground beef, or no, not ground beef, ground turkey. Ground turkey is what I usually use. I don't use ground beef. Every now and then, when it was getting bad, or I gotta go to school or something like that, I'm getting me a burger, it's bad, I just take off one bun and I feel like I'm being healthy, because I always pay attention to calories. So, track what you're eating. actually like digest and be like, okay, did that fuel my body, or did that kind of take a lot of energy? Did this help my body, or am I not seeing progress? You know, keep those things in mind as you're going throughout your day, and as you are eating, do you feel like you're actually getting better? You feel like you're thinking faster, moving faster, feeling more energetic due to the foods that you're eating? Because if you eat sluggish foods, if you eat bad sugars, you eat things that are not fueling your body, then essentially you're being detrimental to yourself. So keep that in mind as you're eating. And I know we're in different places in life, and you know it is costly. So what I would say is you can start out with just eggs. You know, seriously, just start out with eggs. Just eggs, just a little bit of eggs. That's better than if we say, okay, I'm gonna go to Panera Bread, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Like, pay attention to calories. People have we have a lot of sugars in our lives, but we don't understand how much we're really eating. You know, portion control is really a big piece to how I even saw any progress in my life. So I don't know necessarily how long this video is, because I'm not able to see the time, but I hope I was able to bring value. And if this is something that you would like to see more of, I still want to be motivational in the aspect of health, because health, wealth, love, and happiness. You know, right now I'm working on that health piece. I mean the wealth. I'm working on the health piece big time. The wealth. Working on actually acquiring large sums of money. But if this was of value to you, please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything I can do to help you, please allow me to be of service. Randy Mbouge, team do what we do. Let's get it.